Hello, teacher. What are the factors that really matter in life? Confidence is one of the most important values in life, more than all the confidence in oneself. Knowing that we can do many things only with the security and knowledge of our talent. Just like Steve Jobs, he realized that he was good in the design and took something done, transformed it, and made of it the imprint of what Apple is today. Also, perseverance, being able to reach what we let a thought in our mind and it becomes a goal that gets shorter and shorter life than of young stick. Having a abusive goal, but that was achieved with great success. In addition, he was a perfectionist lover of his work. One of the things that matter most is the love with which you do things, the determination and the desire to leave your comfort zone. But he decided that something that now and always have been disaster for society. After all, he decided to change his future and drop out of college. Define the traditional thought that you are nothing without a degree. Stitch was an excellent role model, somewhat cold, but many things to get one himself. In our country and other countries, there are many people as Steve that achieve their dream. Thank you for your attention.